Well, what I'd love to ask first is overall, how has Visuant helped your organization streamline the use of data?
Well, and not just visual, but the process based leadership is what we run our business on. Every employee, every week, every team, every shift, every location is in a meeting that is similarly structured. It's run in the Visuant software, similar agenda items, so that we're being consistent in what we're talking about. It's transparent to everyone else in the organization. So I can look at one of our Mexico shift, third shift teams and see what their meeting notes will look like. I can look at their metrics. We keep accountability through the action registers. But again, it's the process of the leadership that the scorecarding software is just allowing us to administer that process.